Meaning of grist.
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 Grist. The word grist refers to grain that is ground into flour or meal. The term is often used metaphorically to describe something that is useful or necessary for a particular purpose. In this sense, grist can refer to any material or resource that is needed to achieve a desired outcome. For example, in the context of a business, grist might refer to the raw materials needed to manufacture a product. Overall, grist is a versatile term that can refer to a wide range of inputs that are required to make something happen.